Hello all students. Today we will learn subject Environmental Studies chapter 6 Omna's Journey. This is a story about Omna who's traveling to South India, Kerala with her friend. And she found something different culture, different clothes, different kind of food on each and every station. She has written a letter to her friend and that letter is presented in this chapter. Let us see what she has written in her letter to Radha. Omna and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. Omna was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. Omna's father had gone to book train tickets for both the families. Then, just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from the bicycle and fractured her right leg. Her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. The two friends were very sad. They had made so many plans about what they would do together on the trip. On the trip, then Radha's Amma had an idea. Omna, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Then when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This way, you will not forget anything and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. Both the friends thought this was a good idea. Omna went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. Here are some pages from Omna's diary for you to read. Today is the 16th May. It's about 11:35. Omna's diary. As soon as we had reached the station, we checked our names on the reservation chart. Soon the train reached the platform. We saw that the coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kutch. When the train came, there was so much confusion. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put the luggage inside, all from one door. क्यों होता है ऐसा? बिकॉज ट्रेन कुछ ही टाइम के लिए वहाँ पे रुकती है और उसी टाइम में जिनको नीचे उतरना होता है वो उसी दरवाजे से बाहर आते हैं और उसी दरवाजे से जिन लोगों को ट्रेन में बैठना होता है वो अपने सामान के साथ अंदर जाते हैं. That is why there is a rush. We somehow managed to get in, find our seats and put our luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see that we were in our proper seats. Amma and Appa had the lower berths. Unni and I have the middle berths. There are 2 college students who have the upper berths. बर्थ माने बैठने की जगह, सीट्स. मम्मी पापा को नीचे की मिली थी. उन्ना और मुझे ऊपर वाली मिली थी. उन्नी और मुझे ऊपर वाला सीट, सेकंड जो मिडिल होता है वो वाला मिला था. एंड दी अदर 2 फ्रेंड्स वर देयर, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स थे, उनको मिले थे अपर बर्थ्स. ऑन दी अदर बर्थ्स देयर इज अ फैमिली विथ 2 चिल्ड्रन. दे सीम टू बी about our age. I will go and talk to them later. Now I am sitting near the window and I have started writing about the journey, just as I had promised you. I will stop now because Amma has opened the tiffin box. Amma had packed a lot of food, dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai. My mouth is watering. I will write more later. उसे भूख लगी है. मामा ने लंच बॉक्स ओपन किया है, उसमें से लेमन राइस, मिठाई और चटनी विथ ढोकला निकला है. तो अभी लिखूंगी नहीं, अभी मैं वो सब खाऊंगी और उसके बाद में लिखूंगी. Why was it so crowded at the door of the coach? As I said, there was crowd at the door of the coach because many people has to leave the train and many passengers has to catch the train. That is why. Have you ever traveled in train? When? Yes, I have travelled in train for many times. on the way to Mumbai. What food would you like to take with you when you travel and why? I would like to take some foods like bread, butter, roti, sabzi because eating rather outside food, it's better to have the homemade foods. What does the ticket checker do? The ticket checker collects the ticket and checks that whether we have sit on our on proper seat or not. How will you recognize the ticket checker? The ticket checker collects the ticket. He wears black coat and a black cap, and he has a list of passengers. 16th May, same day, 4 o'clock and 30 minutes. After lunch, some people slept. कुछ लोग सो गए. But I was not sleepy. I kept looking out the window. I saw many fields, but they all were brown and dry. Sometimes we passed small villages. They seemed to be flying by. Do you know that when the train is at the very high speed, things outside seem to be running in the opposite direction? होता है, आप कभी भी किसी भी व्हीकल में हो, अगर वो व्हीकल स्पीड में जा रहा है तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आप आगे भाग रहे हो और वो सब पीछे जा रहे हैं. Earlier it was really hot. Now that it is evening, there is some breeze. मतलब ठंडी हवा है. The sun is slowly setting and the sky has become orange. I have never seen it look like this in Ahmedabad. मैंने अहमदाबाद में ऐसा सीन कभी देखा नहीं था. We have just passed a station called Valsad. The train stopped for only 2 minutes, but even for the short time there was so much noise. Chai garam chai. One man was calling batata vada, puri shaak, doodh, thanda doodh. People were selling and buying food on the platform. We quickly bought some bananas and chikus through the window itself. कई लोग ऐसे होते पैसेंजर्स जो विंडो के बाहर या कोच के बाहर डिब्बे के बाहर जाना पसंद नहीं करते हैं, तो वो विंडो से ही जो चीज़ लेनी होती है वो ले लेते हैं. एंड दैट इज़ वाई द सेलर्स कम टू योर कोच सो दैट यू डोंट हैव टू कम आउट फ्रॉम योर कोच. और आपको जो भी चाहिए वो दरवाजे पे ही आपको दे देते हैं. What did Omna see from the window? ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा. From the window, Omna saw that the things outside the window were just running in the opposite direction. She saw many fields, and the fields were somewhere dry and some were green. But they were all brown and dry. So she saw many fields and the fields were brown and dry. She saw some villages as well. Okay. Then what are some of the things that are sold at railway station? At the railway station there were chai. They were selling chai, patata vada, puri shaak, दूध, etc. आप यहाँ पे खुद के भी लिख सकते हो जो आपको पता है कि ये चीज़ भी वहाँ पे मिलती है, तो आप वो यहाँ पे मेंशन कर सकते हैं. I have met some friends. It's 8 o'clock and 30 minutes. I have met some friends. They are Sunil and Anne. They are going to their grandmother's house in Kozhikoda. Sunil has given me some storybook to read. A little while ago, I went to brush my teeth, but there was no water in the bathroom. Somebody said that it will only be filled at the next big station. अगले बड़े स्टेशन पे पानी भरा जाएगा डिब्बे में ताकि अंदर के पैसेंजर्स वो पानी को यूटिलाइज कर सके. Why do you think there was no water in the bathroom of the trains? Discuss. ये कभी होता है, the sometimes long journey होती है तो पानी जो डिब्बे में होता है वो यूटिलाइज्ड हो जाता है. एंड एट द सम स्टेशन कुछ घंटे के बाद हर एक जो उनका डिसाइडेड होता है स्पॉट, वहाँ पे वो स्टेशन से वो प्लेटफॉर्म पर से उन पे पानी भरा जाता है. इमेजिन दैट यू आर गोइंग टू अ लॉन्ग ट्रेन जर्नी. व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू विल टेक विथ यू टू हेल्प pass the time. ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ होगी जो आप टाइम पास के लिए वहाँ पे लेके जाओगे? Some would take cards, कोई लेंगे फिर बुक्स लेते हैं रीडिंग के लिए. मोबाइल्स तो आर ऑलवेज देयर, बुक्स लेके जा सकते हो रीडिंग के लिए. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स यू कैन टेक विथ यू. कैन यू रिकग्नाइज हु आर दिस पीपल शोन इन द पिक्चर? What work do they do? Discuss. It's about प्लेटफॉर्म. ये पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म सीन है जो बीच में आपको दिखाया गया है. ठीक है. द फर्स्ट वन यहाँ पे है वो है कुली. द सेकेंड वन इज अ गार्ड. थर्ड वन इज अ ड्राइवर. फोर्थ आर द पैसेंजर्स. फिफ्थ इज अ सिक्योरिटी. ओके, फोर्थ इज नॉट अ पैसेंजर, फोर्थ इज अ टिकट कलेक्टर. नीचे वाला इमेज है. द सेंटर इज अ पैसेंजर्स. Fifth is a security guard, sixth is a sweeper, and seventh is a ticket. Window पे है तो you can say कोई office staff. Okay. For the answers I provided to you, आप अपने हिसाब से स्टेशन प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर, प्लेटफॉर्म रेलवे स्टेशन पे कौन कौन से पीपल वर्क करते हैं उनका लिस्ट बना सकते हैं. आई हैव प्रोवाइड यू आंसर्स एंड यू विल गेट द नोट वर्कशीट, वर्कबुक नोट्स, एंड यू मस्ट फिनिश ऑल द वर्क बाय द टाइम. स्टे एट होम, बी सेफ,